Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna talk about how to check, change or refill the power steering fluid, or in other name the servo oil, in a SKODA FABIA Mark 1. It is very important to first of all locate the tank of the power steering fluid or the servo oil tank where we can find it, and basically that the oil tank in that version of the SKODA FABIA is under the battery holder and battery support. Somewhere there, what I'm gonna show you now. So if you were able to see your tank, the steering power fluid or servo oil tank, then let's go back a few steps, because we have to remove some screws and the battery holder and the air filter to reach that servo oil tank. And I will show you in every screw, every step in this video. As you see, I have already removed the battery from the holder, and makes my steps a bit easier and shortcutted, but I believe it's very straightforward to remove and replace or change your batteries. To remove the car battery holder, I'm gonna use a 13mm tubular key to remove the middle screw what you have seen previously. And then there is another screw which holds together the battery holder case and the air filter, and for that you can use a 10mm tubular key to unscrew and remove that screw. After then there is a air channel which is connecting to your air filter, and by removing that you would be able to lift your air filter up, and you don't have to remove it completely, and makes your life much easier. So I am just moving up somehow and just winning some space, and by that we can reach to the last screw what we have to unscrew to reach the servo oil tank. Actually there are two screws, and by removing them, it's a 10mm tubular case, you can simply unscrew them and you would be able to lift your battery holder up, and then to reach out to your steering power oil tank or servo oil tank. Once you lift up the battery holder and the battery case, that plastic, then you would be able to see your servo oil tank or power steering tank in the bottom of that plastic case, and you have to actually unscrew the top of that, and then you would be able to see what is happening in your tank. Is there any oil? Is the oil changed? I mean the color of the oil, is it changed, or what is the case? In my case it is almost totally empty, and I was able to feel that it's empty by driving the car, and the wheel was like winkly do. I don't know if that's the right wording to show you what was the case, but the reaction time of the car was much slower, and I had the feeling that there is the servo oil which needs to be refilled. I'm using a simple transmission fluid from OMV, but almost any kind of transmission fluid should be okay. It's a bit hard to refill like that. You could use some pipe or some straight something to help the oil to flow in of that tank, but once you have refilled, I'm actually using more than the recommended level, since I know that my oil is leaking out from that system. And once it is refilled, then you should put the cap back and reassemble everything as you just disassembled previously. If you think this video were helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to help me as well. Thank you very much. I wish you an amazing day.